了。
Okay. This is being installed the wrong way.
Wrong way.
嗯哼，那个是什么？
这个是记号，往前的标号，就是往前的。
Oh, he said that this is supposed to be for forward.
Forward. Yeah.
都是往前的，对吧？
So they turn
然
around.
后它这个是往前的，它这个是往前的，它往后了。
Oh, this and this here, it's
Yeah.
supposed to be forward, and they put it backward,
Backward.
Mhm.
Oh my.
or front to the back,
Wow.
whichever way it's supposed to be.
这个就算没错，这个就没错，这个就没错。
This was being put correct.
Yeah.
This was correct, but it just that one was being installed wrong.
Wrong.
Opposite. Sorry.
然后对，也
land
装错的，
Yeah.
那烧掉了。
So this is being worn off.
Yeah.
所以不能用了，对吧？
这个买这个瓦买一户，然后这个我差点来给它修复一下就可以了。
买什么？这个？
买这个瓦，
Oh, so see if you can get this. The middle part here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bearing.
I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry.
Bearing.
Yeah.
Bearing.
Yeah. So that's what he said. Just get the bearing,
Yeah.
然后我那个给它修复一下。
and then the other one he's just going to repair for you.
Repair.
他说，他叫你看那个车可不可以放去
So what requires?
那个帮他就是平衡还是什么？就是他那个车啊，
哪个车？
这个车
完了，那不是车子停了好几天了。这个好不好弄？还是那怎么弄？你们两个，那边两个，这边两个，是吧？那边一个，这边两个。OK，来，给他降一下。那这不压好了，他们。过去来点。
So man didn't go to work. Man didn't go to work. The man didn't go to work, people. The man didn't go to work. The man didn't go to work.
你这样搞不了，你干会。不是，走。